If you've broken a plastic bracket, PVC bracket, and you are not able to find a spare bracket easily, you could use some quick dry glue, or as some people call it, Jap glue, and powder. So what you do is you stick it back together, but just to get it stronger, you get some plastic or PVC that's lying around, and you can strengthen the bracket by getting it onto joining it onto the PVC, or PVC with a quick dry Jap glue, and then using the powder to build up. It's kind of like a non-electrical welding. So you put some of the quick dry glue, and then you sprinkle some of the powder, and then you put some more glue on, and you sprinkle more powder. Just be careful places where the bracket has to move. Don't let the quick dry glue get onto that, because it will stick, and it sticks very, very, very hard. So that's one way of repairing a PVC bracket, with some quick dry glue or Jap glue and powder. Thanks for watching. Do follow us, and we appreciate your viewing. So the trick is just to put a little bit of the quick dry, and then just sprinkle the powder, just a little bit, like you were going to put some salt on your food. Just sprinkle it a little bit, and then you put some of just a couple of little drops, and let it seep in. And then if you want it even stronger, sprinkle a little bit of powder on top of that. So that way you can actually build up quite a bit of volume, and you can get the strength in the volume.